Hello mga iring banban and welcome to my YouTube channel, no? So tonight we have a simply tour, no, sa akong rearrangement. So samahan niyo ako mga guys. So tara, let's go na. So mga iring banbanon, mag-general cleaning ko. So I have to start now. Cleaning start from the toilet and going to my room. So rearrangement for my interior. Kasi ang dumi. Tingnan mo ang dumi. So I need to rearrange and make simple and beautiful. So tara na. Let's start mga iring banbanon. So ang dumi ang kwarto ko, so mag-rearrange ko sa bahay ko. So guys, wait until I finish so I can show you how I can rearrangement and interior my beautiful room, no? So just wait. For watching my YouTube channel, Iring Banbanon. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. Puno sa kasakit o puno sa kalipay. Thank you and God bless to everyone.